The ECOVACS Robot Vacuum Cleaner DEEBOT X5 Pro Omni is here to revolutionize the way we clean our homes. With the latest in robotic technology, this vacuum stands out with its exceptional suction power, smart navigation, and a range of features designed to make your cleaning experience easier than ever. Today, we'll take a deep dive into its specs and performance to see how it truly stacks up. This vacuum offers a wind tunnel suction power of 12,800 PAR, an impressive number that promises superior cleaning, especially for carpets. When you think of suction power, it's important to consider how it translates to real-world cleaning. With this kind of suction, the DEEBOT X5 Pro Omni excels in picking up dust, debris, and even deeply embedded dirt from both carpets and hard floors. The suction doesn't just stay strong on open spaces, but holds its own in tricky areas like edges and corners, thanks to its TruEdge Adaptive Edge Mopping technology. This is no ordinary robot vacuum. It boasts a precision that hits within 1 millimeter accuracy, covering those hard-to-reach areas you might otherwise miss with standard cleaning methods. One standout feature of this model is its ZeroTangle anti-tangle technology, which solves one of the most common headaches with robot vacuums: hair and debris getting tangled around the brush. Whether you have long hair or a furry friend shedding all over the house, you won't need to worry about constant brush maintenance. The vacuum's ability to avoid entanglement means smoother operation and less downtime, allowing for more effective cleaning over time. The AINA 2.0 intelligent navigation system enhances the DEEBOT X5 Pro Omni's ability to navigate your home. It uses advanced algorithms to provide real-time navigation and obstacle avoidance, ensuring it cleans thoroughly and efficiently, even in complex environments. With improved adaptability, this vacuum learns and adapts to its surroundings, making cleaning in tight spaces or around furniture even more efficient. When it comes to the station, the upgraded all-in-one Omni station deserves a mention. Not only does it provide self-emptying and auto water refilling features, but it also includes hot air drying, making it a hands-off solution for your cleaning needs. It even supports 70-degree hot water mop washing, ensuring that the mop cloth is always fresh and ready for action. This station is designed to handle all the dirty work so you don't have to. As for battery life, the DEEBOT X5 Pro Omni boasts a 6,400 mAh battery with an impressive 350-minute runtime. That's more than enough to cover large homes or multiple rooms without needing to recharge. And when it's time to charge, the vacuum powers up 40% faster than its predecessor, allowing it to get back to cleaning in less time. The Yeeko AI voice assistant adds another layer of convenience. It lets you interact with the vacuum using voice commands, so you can adjust cleaning tasks, schedule sessions, or change settings without ever touching a button. The assistant supports multi-turn conversations, mobile manipulation, and offline NLP, making it feel more intuitive and user-friendly than ever before. So how does it perform in the real world? In testing, the DEEBOT X5 Pro Omni impresses with its seamless cleaning capabilities. It handles fine dust and crumbs on hard floors without a hitch, and its suction power tackles stubborn dirt on carpets effortlessly. The adaptive edge mopping ensures no corner is left untouched, making sure the edges of rooms and under furniture are clean. Its performance on stairs, upholstery, and car interiors, especially with the various attachments, is top-notch, leaving surfaces spotless with minimal effort. However, it's not without its drawbacks. While the 350-minute runtime is excellent in high-power suction mode, there's a slight dip in battery performance as expected. Some users may find that the suction strength gradually decreases as the battery gets lower, although this isn't uncommon for robot vacuums in general. The vacuum's build quality is solid overall, but there are some concerns about long-term wear on the brush roll, especially if you frequently clean pet hair. When it comes to value, the DEEBOT X5 Pro Omni delivers impressive performance for the price. With its high suction power, smart features, and advanced navigation, it competes well in the premium robot vacuum market. Alternatives, like the Roborock S7 Max V or the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus, come close in terms of cleaning power and features, but lack some of the advanced capabilities like the ZeroTangle brush or the unique edge mopping. For large homes, pet owners, or anyone looking for an advanced robot vacuum that covers all bases, this model offers great value for money. In terms of build quality, the DEEBOT X5 Pro Omni feels sturdy. The materials used are solid, and the vacuum has a premium feel to it. The design is sleek, and while it's not the lightest model out there, its ability to move around furniture and tight spaces makes it feel easy to use. Maintenance is straightforward as well. Emptying the dustbin is easy, and cleaning the mop cloth is a simple process, thanks to the automatic washing station. As for customer support, ECOVACS has a solid reputation for providing responsive service, should you need assistance. Their support team is known for handling issues quickly, ensuring minimal downtime in case of any malfunctions or concerns. Wrapping it all up, the DEEBOT X5 Pro Omni is a high-performance robot vacuum that lives up to its claims. With its 12,800 PA suction power, advanced navigation, and handy features like ZeroTangle and TruEdge Mopping, it's a top contender in the robotic vacuum market. Whether you're dealing with carpets, hard floors, pet hair, or tricky corners, this vacuum is more than capable. It's best suited for large homes, pet owners, and anyone who values smart features and long battery life. While it's not the cheapest option, it offers solid value for its price, especially if you're looking for a vacuum that takes care of almost everything for you. If you're interested in learning more or purchasing the DEEBOT X5 Pro Omni, check out the link in the comments below. Have you tried this vacuum, or are you thinking about getting one? Drop your thoughts or questions down there, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and remember, the next time you need a cleaning solution that truly gets the job done, you know where to look. Goodbye until next time, and keep your floors spotless.